ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಿಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Welcome our honorable guests who are part of the festivities of Ugadi organized by Seattle Kannada Sangha, fondly known as SEEKS. I now request all the executive committee members of SEEKS to please come on stage to welcome our guest. Karthik Sampalli, Deepak Kumar, Prasanna Kumar, Shushma Hegde. I also request Mr. Prakash Narayan Gowda, the annual sponsor for today's event, to please join us on the stage. And now, it is our utmost pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, Shri Prakash Gupta, Consul General of India in Seattle, Head of Chancery, Shri Suresh Kumar. A hearty welcome to you all. We are extremely honored to have your presence this evening. In appreciation and gratitude, Seattle Kannada Sangha would like to felicitate our guests. I request Anil Puvadi, Lokesh and Shushma to felicitate our honorable chief guest Shri Prakash Gupta. I please request the audience to please take the seats. Please do not crowd the hallway. Please take the seats for this event. Shri Prakash Gupta is a career diplomat from the Indian Foreign Services. Mr. Gupta, his impact goes beyond borders. He has served in various capacities internationally and in the Indian mission to the United Nations in New York and Jakarta. He was also part of the planning preparation for India's hosting of the successful G20 summit in New Delhi. He has now been assigned to lead India's first consulate in Seattle as the Consul General of India in Seattle. Mr. Gupta's career paints a picture of dedication and versatility. I invite Anil Puvadi, co-founder Seattle Kannada Sangha, to please welcome our guest of honor.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಜಿನ ಬರ್ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವ. On behalf of Seattle Kannada Sangha, we would like to welcome our honorary dignitary, Chief Guest and Consul General of India, Seattle, Washington and 8 other neighboring states. Sir, I know how much busy you are and you have delegates from India. Today you took some time from your precious schedule and made our occasion. Thank you so much. Your presence means a lot for us. So, we are a very young organization. We started Seattle Kannada Sangha in November 2023. We are just 6 months old and we go by our values, transparency, inclusion and collaboration. And to bind all these charities our essence. On that regard, on behalf of our members, I would like to, we are extremely proud that we had a fundraising event during Diwali, and we could donate like 10 benches for government school back in Bangalore. And there was a dire requirement there, and we are committed to do that. One big round of applause for all of you for doing such a great job. And after that, we wanted to, and we started our first event from Children's Day, because we wanted to kind of do that from like by giving platform for the kids. And then we wanted to get into different streams. That's when we conducted gully cricket, which is like sports event. And then we also had knowledge sharing sessions from industry experts like tax consultants and attorneys, which is very much a need for a lot of people here. So it was very well received. And then we also did Women's Day. Next we are going to have a food, volunteer driven event, right? And this is our 6th event. For our 6th event, we have 850 to 900 people who had banana leaf lunch. Big round of applause, please. Thank you for all the support. This could happen because of 2 reasons. One, people in front of you, all our members. And 2, really, really hardworking volunteers who just selflessly work for hours and days, and look at the fascia that like decoration team has put up. It has lot of effort. So that's how we are committed, and we served like banana leaf lunch within 3 hours for 850 to 900 people. It's a Herculean task. So on that note, I would like to end this speech by thanking my members and also volunteers. Thank you so much. And also, I would like to welcome CG's wife, Neha, and thank you so much. Please come on the stage. On that note, I would like to.
So, good evening, everyone. Thank you for having me over, join you in this beautiful and vibrant celebration. I'd like to thank the Seattle Kannada Sangha for inviting the consulate and me and my family to join you today evening. There are many things that impresses me. It feels like a mini Karnataka out here with the Mysore Palace insignia on the left. I have yet to see such a big Indian replica anywhere in any public event. So hats off to whoever thought of it and executed it. To make the point of that the Seattle Kannada Sangha is 6 months old. Well, the consulate is also now nearly 6 months old, 5 plus. We started at the same time, November. And some of the values that you said of transparency, inclusion and collaboration is also we hope to share with the community. So we have started our journeys on the same time and look forward to working closely with the Seattle Kannada Sangha in going forward. One thing I always say is Seattle to me represents the diversity of the Indian community, a mini India here. We have a very vibrant Kannada community. We have a very vibrant Tamil community, Bengali community, Gujarati community. And through these events, you bring a mini reflection of the unique diversity that India brings. It is my hope that as we work together, one day we all come together and do a big India Day celebration where all communities come together and mark it in Seattle as a signature India Day. So I really look forward to working towards that. Please treat the Indian Consulate as an extended member of your Karnataka family here in Seattle. We have colleagues in the consulate now from your community who are working for us as well. So please keep this a very close relationship, and thank you so much for all your good wishes and blessings.
Thank you so much for your words and encouragement, sir. We hope to keep up the value and collaboration.